Welcome to Ideal House Quick Start.
Want to see how exterior lighting could change a house before installing any fixtures? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ideal House's board to create a realistic house lighting visualization from one exterior photo. Start with a new board for your lighting concept. The board is useful because you can keep the original house photo, reference images, and generated options together in one visual workspace. Use the frame tool to create a working area for this concept. The blue outline you see here is the selected frame, which can hold multiple images together on the board. First, add a clear exterior photo of the home. For best results, use a front-facing image where the roofline, windows, porch, garage, driveway, and landscaping are visible. This photo will be the base image. The goal is to change the lighting mood and add exterior illumination, while keeping the house structure, camera angle, siding, windows, doors, garage, and landscaping recognizable. Next, add a reference image that shows the lighting style you want. This could be warm roofline lighting, hidden eave lights, soft downward wall lights, pathway lights, or a full nighttime curb appeal look. Keeping both images inside the frame makes the direction much clearer. You can use the original house as the base image and the smaller nighttime image as the lighting reference. To open the generation controls, click the frame or click a single image. Once it is selected, the bottom toolbar and prompt input box will appear. In the bottom toolbar, choose General. This is a flexible option for custom image transformations when you want to describe a specific design idea in your own words. Open Custom. If needed, adjust the preferences before generating. You can keep the aspect ratio on auto, so the output follows the original image shape. For this kind of lighting visualization, choose the quality level that matches your goal. Pro is a good choice when you want a more polished concept image for a client presentation or portfolio. Choose the output resolution. 2K HD is a practical starting point for review and sharing, while 4K can be useful if you need a higher resolution presentation asset. Make sure the prompt includes the house image you want to transform and the lighting reference image. This tells Ideal House which image is the base and which image provides the lighting style. For a quick version, you can write, transform this house image into the lighting like in this reference. Do not change the original house structure. This is useful when the reference already shows the mood clearly. For more control, write a specific prompt like, add elegant hidden exterior accent lighting to this home, using the reference image as the style guide. Place evenly spaced concealed lights under the fascia and eaves so they create soft downward cones of light on the exterior walls. Do not show visible bulbs, fixtures, cans, or spotlights. Keep the original house structure, roofline, siding, windows, doors, garage, driveway, stairs, landscaping, and camera angle unchanged. When the prompt is ready, click the arrow button to generate. Ideal House will create a new lighting concept based on the selected frame or image, the reference image, and your prompt instructions. Here's the generated lighting visualization. The house now has a nighttime curb appeal look, with warm exterior lighting while the main architecture stays recognizable. Review the result closely. Check the roofline, porch, windows, garage, driveway, and landscaping. Make sure the lights feel natural, the glow is not too harsh, and the structure has not changed too much. You can generate more than one option and compare them side by side. One version might have stronger roofline lighting, while another might use softer porch and wall lighting. This is where the board becomes helpful. You can show the original, the inspiration, and multiple proposed lighting concepts in one place. It works well for client reviews, contractor discussions, or homeowner decisions. You can also use the text tool to keep your prompts on the board. Paste the simple prompt and the detailed lighting prompt next to the images so you or your client can remember exactly which instruction created each result. After selecting the text, you can adjust the text style from the top toolbar. Change the size, font, alignment, stroke color, or opacity to make the notes easier to read and match the presentation board. If you need to adjust how the image sits on the board, use tools like crop, cutout, or opacity. These are useful for cleaning up the layout or preparing a presentation board. When you like a result, click the download icon to export it. If your plan supports it, you can also choose options like downloading without a watermark. If you want to keep working, open all tools. You can continue with editing tools, enhance the image, or explore other workflows depending on how you want to present the final lighting idea. And that's it. With Ideal House's board, you can turn a normal exterior house photo into a clear lighting visualization, compare multiple nighttime options, and show clients what the home could look like before any lighting is installed.